we don't really advocate doing this kind of stuff at home. It's very dangerous for you adults to think about riding on the front of a vehicle through the woods with a 5-year-old driving. Please really consider doing stuff like that. You probably ought not. This is for educational purposes only. And no, sorry, this is for entertainment purposes only. Definitely not educational purposes. Entertainment only. Enjoy the ride. I am. Just cruising along. Well, it's probably time for me to jump back in. Have a great evening. We're gonna find a place to camp. Snuggle in well. Tell your friends and family that you love them. And join in next time. Simple Life Adventure, out.